Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another wig review hair tutorial. And this one is for my ladies for Valentine's Day. This is the wig. This is from Harlem 125th Street. That's where I'm from. That's where I grew up, in Harlem all day, every day. Yes, so it's from Harlem 125 where style begins, because it's the truth. And it's called Slayce. Oh, Slayed Edge Ready Slayce. Yeah, I think it's Slayce. Undetectable lace wig with slayed edges. This is how it looks. Harlem 125th, if you're watching this, if the brand is watching this, call me, because I'm from Harlem. And you could just look on my channel, see who I am. We need to collab. We need to like do a line of wigs with me. I could be the model. What's up? Call me. This is the wig. I'm gonna open her because I don't want to do this to be too long. I just want to see how this feels. Look at you. Okay, so we don't need all of that. We don't need all of that. Oh wait, hold up. Hold on now. Let me not rush. Let me be careful. Okay. All right. Okay, this is how the hair looks. Whew. Oh, isn't that pretty? Look how pretty, and it's thick. And you know what? It feels like human hair. So this wig has two large clips in the front, 1, 2, and it has a strap in the middle. It's not adjustable, it's just a strap, and it has a large clip in the back. And it has the regular wig straps that every wig comes with. And I'm gonna strap that together now. Okay. The color that I got was pink, and the style is SLY01. Okay, and this is how the front looks. So it has baby hairs already, and it's already parted for you. Like, it's already parted in this area, and I like how they parted it. It's not like a straight part, it's like a curve. It's really cute. Hold on. Hold up. This has to be glueless. This is glueless for sure, because this wig is tight, child. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, it's not as long as I thought it would be. I don't know why. In the package, it looked like it's so long in the package, and it's really not that long. Okay. So, I'm going to tint the lace. I have to tint it. So, I'm going to be using my lace tint mousse, brown medium, Dola hair. And I'm going to use a blow dryer to blow dry it because it is messy. And then we can install this hair. But this is how it's looking. It feels really tight and snug on my head. Like, it feels really good. The hair itself is really thick. It's really, really, really pretty wig. I'm excited to install it. So, let's get right into it. And I know I'm probably going to tint the hair a little bit, but hey, what can you do? It's a messy product. I'm still looking for like a really good lace tinter. So if you guys have any ideas, comment below, because this one is too messy for me, but it does the job. Because I used to use, what did I used to use to tint the lace? I think I used to use makeup. But I don't know, the makeup, it doesn't really work like that for me anymore on these type of wigs. Like the bad wigs that I wore back in the day, they really tinted. With this, it doesn't really work on this. So anyway, I'm just using this spoolie part to like put the product in so I don't get it all over my hands, because I don't have any more gloves left. Because I usually distribute it with gloves, but I ran out, so I'm just gonna use this like this. I'm not gonna tint the whole thing because I'm not using all the lace, as you guys know, just some of it. analyzing it and looking at it. I don't like the length. It's, to me, if it was gonna be, to me, I don't like these types of lengths. Like my hair, my type of style, as far as like my wigs and my style of hair, is either really long or short. It's no in between. I don't like in between hair. If you know me, you know I like 30 inches or a little bit longer, or I like a bob. When it's straight. Curly can get away with this length. Like if it's like a wavy, it can get away with this length because it looks really nice. But straight, it either has to be 30 inch or bob. Like I can't do the half, like I can't. So I'm gonna cut it. Point is, I'm going to cut it, and I'm gonna get my favorite scissors that I have. And I just think it will look better in a bob style. So I am going to cut her. For those of you out there that don't know really how to cut, this is what you do. You just take, I don't have a black scrunchie, I have colors. So I'm gonna take a scrunchie like this, and I'm gonna tie it around the hair, right? And I'm just gonna cut in the area where I wanna cut it at. So I think I'm gonna cut it above the ponytail. So like right here. Actually, it looks the same length, but we're gonna worry about that later. Do not worry about it. It looks boxy, do not worry about it. Okay? Do not stress about that. So, okay, so now we're gonna do this side. And I'm gonna just like try to measure like where I cut this one at. I think, yeah, this is like the same length. Estimately, it's the same length. So we're gonna remove this now so we can see how everything looks together. Okay. Now I'm going to flat iron it because it takes heat up to 400 degrees. So I'm going to kind of like give it a nice little curl under because it's really straight. I did the best that I could. I know it probably looks uneven and crazy, but I did the best that I could. Used a lot of holding spray so it can stay like this. And I literally was holding it like this. I mean, obviously I could probably use rollers, but I'm being really lazy right now. Literally, if you want to really slay, I have rollers in a really big bin, and I put them in rollers and I put pins in it, and you can leave it there for a good 10 minutes with it rolled up, and it will come out like rolled. So you can do that too. You don't have to do what I'm doing here. I'm doing the lazy version. But that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think below about how I did this hair. And I will see you in my next video. But until then, keep slaying. Happy Valentine's Day.